Are you looking for a simple way to supercharge your mornings? The Modest Lemon is your answer. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the amazing benefits of drinking warm lemon water every day. This simple daily habit can transform your health in surprising ways. Let's dive in. Lemons are packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. When you combine fresh lemon juice with warm water, you create a powerhouse drink that's not only refreshing but also incredibly beneficial for your body. First off, let's talk about hydration. After a night of sleep, your body is craving fluids, and nothing beats a warm mug of lemon water to kickstart your hydration journey. But what makes lemon water so special? Well, lemons are packed with water-soluble vitamins and minerals, making them a natural hydrator that your body can easily absorb. And here's the kicker. The warmth of the water helps to relax your digestive system, allowing your body to absorb the water and nutrients more efficiently. Plus, the added bonus of lemon juice not only enhances the flavor, but also provides a refreshing burst of citrus goodness that makes hydration feel like a treat, not a chore. But wait, there's more. Lemon water can also help replenish electrolytes, which are essential for proper hydration and muscle function. It's like a natural sports drink without any added sugars or artificial ingredients. Whether you're hitting the trails or tackling your daily workout, staying hydrated is key to performing at your best. And with warm lemon water by your side, you'll have the hydration you need to conquer anything that comes your way. The hydration benefits of drinking warm lemon water every morning are truly unbeatable. Cheers to staying hydrated and feeling amazing. Next up, promoting healthy urination. We're tackling a topic that might make some blush, but it's essential for our overall health: urination. And believe it or not, warm lemon water in the morning can play a significant role in promoting healthy urination. Proper hydration is crucial for maintaining a healthy urinary system, and starting your day with warm lemon water ensures you kick things off on the right foot. But what makes lemon water so special? Well, lemons have natural diuretic properties, meaning they can increase urine production and promote healthy urination. By encouraging your body to flush out toxins and waste more efficiently, warm lemon water helps prevent urinary tract infections and keeps your bladder happy and healthy. But that's not all. Lemon water can also help prevent the formation of kidney stones by increasing urine citrate levels, which inhibit the formation of certain types of stones. Plus, the warmth of the water helps to relax your muscles and stimulate blood flow, making it easier for your body to eliminate waste and maintain optimal urinary function. Whether you're dealing with urinary issues or simply want to support your overall health, incorporating warm lemon water into your morning routine is a simple yet powerful way to promote healthy urination. Are you on a weight loss journey and looking for a natural boost? Look no further than your kitchen. We're uncovering the weight loss benefits of warm lemon water. Get ready to sip your way to a slimmer you. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room: hydration. Staying hydrated is key for weight loss, and starting your day with warm lemon water ensures you're off to a hydrated start. But here's where it gets exciting. Lemons are a natural metabolism booster. The citric acid in lemon juice helps kickstart your metabolism, making it easier for your body to burn calories throughout the day. But that's not all. Lemon water can also help curb cravings and keep you feeling full, thanks to its high fiber content. Say goodbye to mindless snacking and hello to healthier choices. And let's not forget about digestion. The warmth of the water helps to relax your digestive system, while the acidity of the lemon juice aids in the production of stomach acid, promoting smooth digestion and preventing bloating. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or simply support your overall health, incorporating warm lemon water into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful step towards reaching your goals. So, grab your favorite mug and start sipping. With warm lemon water by your side, you'll be well on your way to a healthier, happier you. We're now shining a spotlight on the unsung hero of our bodies, the liver. And guess what? Warm lemon water might just be the liver's best friend. Let's explore. Again, let's talk about how hydration benefits the liver. Hydration is key for a healthy liver. And what better way to hydrate than with warm lemon water? It's like a soothing hug for your liver first thing in the morning. But here's where it gets interesting. Lemons contain compounds that support liver detoxification. The citric acid in lemon juice helps stimulate the production of liver enzymes, aiding in the detox process. But wait, there's more. Warm lemon water also helps promote bile production, which is essential for breaking down fats and aiding in digestion. A happy liver means a happy digestive system. And let's not forget about antioxidants. Lemons are packed with vitamin C and other antioxidants that help protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals and toxins. Whether you're dealing with liver issues or simply want to support your overall health, incorporating warm lemon water into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful way to give your liver some love. So, raise your mugs and toast to your liver's health. With warm lemon water by your side, you're taking a proactive step towards nurturing your body from the inside out. And here's something for your heart. And guess what? Your morning routine might hold the key to a healthier heart. Join us as we explore the wonders of warm lemon water. Proper hydration is crucial for a healthy heart, and starting your day with warm lemon water ensures you're off to a hydrated start. But here's where it gets interesting. Lemons contain potassium, a mineral that plays a key role in regulating blood pressure. By incorporating warm lemon water into your morning routine, you're giving your heart a little extra love. But that's not all. The antioxidants in lemon water help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two factors that can contribute to heart disease. It's like a protective shield for your heart. And let's not forget about cholesterol. The pectin fiber found in lemons has been shown to help lower LDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Whether you're looking to improve your heart health or simply want to support your overall well-being, warm lemon water is a delicious and easy way to show your heart some love. So, raise one more time your mugs and toast to your heart's health. With warm lemon water by your side, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier heart and a happier you. Let's not forget about stress relief. Warm lemon water, a simple yet magical elixir that can help melt away stress and bring a sense of calm to your mornings. Get ready to sip your worries away with warm lemon water. I'm thrilled to guide you through the soothing benefits of warm lemon water for stress relief. Hydration is essential for managing stress, and what better way to hydrate than with a comforting mug of warm lemon water? It's like a hug from the inside out. But here's where it gets exciting. Lemons contain vitamin C, which has been shown to reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone. By starting your day with warm lemon water, you're setting yourself up for a calmer, more balanced day. But that's not all. The scent of lemon has been used for centuries as a natural stress reliever. Just inhaling the refreshing aroma can help calm your mind and lift your spirits. And let's not forget about mindfulness. Taking a few moments to savor your warm lemon water can be a powerful mindfulness practice, allowing you to center yourself and focus on the present moment. Whether you're dealing with a hectic day ahead or simply want to infuse your mornings with a sense of peace, warm lemon water is a gentle yet effective tool for managing stress and finding your inner calm. So, take a deep breath and savor the moment. With warm lemon water by your side, you're nourishing not just your body, but your mind and soul as well. Immune boosting. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C, which is a superhero for your immune system. By giving your body a dose of this powerhouse vitamin first thing in the morning, you're setting yourself up for a day of health and vitality, which not only boosts your immune system, but also helps fend off colds and flu. Boosts energy. The combination of water and lemon provides a natural energy boost without the crash associated with caffeine. Freshens breath. Lemon's antibacterial properties can help freshen breath and prevent bad breath. Reduces inflammation. Lemon water has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body. And let's not forget about skin health. The vitamin C in lemon water promotes collagen production, leading to healthier, more radiant skin. Remember, while warm lemon water can offer these potential benefits, it's important to incorporate it into a balanced diet and lifestyle for maximum effect. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Cheers to a healthier, happier you with the incredible power of warm lemon water. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wellness tips. Until next time, take care and stay hydrated.